Hi there, it's Chef Crystal with Giant Eagle, and today we're going to do beer-battered cod with chips. We're going to start with our Market District wild-caught cod, and we're going to cut it into 3-ounce pieces. This is 1.5 pounds of cod. We're going to take 2 teaspoons of salt and sprinkle it on and mix it up and place the cod in the refrigerator to let it chill for about 20 minutes. Once you have refrigerated your cod for 20 minutes, you're going to take it out and you're going to pat it dry from any moisture that came off of it. So I have mayonnaise, Nature's Basket dill, green onions, Market District kosher dill pickles, and capers. And I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice in it, and then we're just going to mix it up. Next, we're going to make our beer batter for our cod. I'm going to take and put in 2/3 cup flour, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, some paprika, salt, and baking powder. We're going to mix that up, and then we're going to add in our beer and honey. You go ahead and stir it, but you don't want to stir it too much because it will make it a little bit tough. Next, we want to preheat our oil to 375 degrees. The best way to find out if your oil is at temperature is to use a thermometer. Once your oil is at temperature, you want to take a bunch of rosemary. You're just going to cook it until it stops sizzling, and then go ahead and take it out. You want to take your fish a couple pieces at a time and place it into your batter. Once you coat it, you're going to go ahead and put it into the oil, but you don't want to drop it right in. You want to take and float your fish above the oil for just a moment so that it doesn't sink down to the bottom and stick. You want to fry your fish until it's golden brown and reaches 145 degrees. Once your fish reaches 145 degrees and is nice and golden brown, you can go ahead and grab a skimmer or a spider and take your fish out and put it onto a paper towel lined tray for it to drain.